Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you all are doing well. In as you know, we learn in our previous class about data and AI, automatic data collection. So today we are going to learn about types of data, quality and quantity in artificial intelligence. AI learns from data. The better the data, the better AI can learn and make decision. First, we explain about the quantity data. Quantity means how much data we have. For example, imagine you are learning English. If you read only one story, you will learn a little. But if you read 100 stories, you will learn many new words. The more practice you get, the better you become. Similarly, AI also learn better when it has a large amount of data. More examples helps AI understand different situations. This is a concept of quantity data. Now, let's learn about quality. Quality means the data is correct, clear and useful. For example, a picture of cat is labeled as a dog. Will AI learn correctly? The answer is no. If the data has mistake, wrong labels or missing information, AI will learn the wrong things. For example, correct answer sheet is equal to good learning. Wrong answer sheet is equal to wrong learning. So, AI needs both quantity and quality data. More data is equal to better learning and correct data is equal to correct decisions. Then we can say if AI has a lot of correct data, it becomes smart and accurate. AI learns better with both types of data. Big means quantity and accurate means quality of data. Now, here is an activity. First, I explain the meaning of clean data. Clean data means the information is complete, correct, and easy to understand. For example, I say Ali read in 5 class and his age is 10, and Sarah is reading class 4 and her age is 9. All the data is correct. Everything is correct. And now move forward to dirty data means there are mistakes or missing information. For example, I missed the age of Ali and miss the class of Sarah, then these data is not correct. This data is not completely defined. So AI cannot understand these type of data because some information is missing or incorrect. That is the meaning of this activity, clean versus dirty data. So I hope you can understand all this lecture. So today we learn that AI needs both quantity and quality. Quality means a large amount of data and quantity means correct and accurate data. Good data helps AI learn better and make better decisions. See you in the next class. Allah Hafiz.